There are two types of breath testing devices that are typically used in DUI investigations in Mississippi. The first one that's to be used after the standardized field sobriety test is called a portable breath test. We refer to it as a handheld or a PBT. It's about the size of a cell phone or a deck of playing cards, has a small screen on it, and it's a handheld. They can hold it in their hand. And the officer will ask you to submit a breath sample through a little straw on that device. And there will be a readout, there will be a number that's on that screen, and that will be your BAC that's estimated by that device. That number is not admissible in court. The only thing that's admissible in court is the officer's testimony that the result was positive for alcohol or negative for alcohol. Now, the other type is called the Intoxilyzer 9000. It is about 14 inches by 14 inches, weighs 6 pounds, usually sits on a desk at a police station. Sometimes it is in the back of a police vehicle, and it is calibrated remotely. It's a pretty fancy device. It has a printer that's attached to it, and there's a little bit longer straw. Before somebody blows in that, the officer has to give them a warning, letting them know that if they don't blow in that device, that their license will be suspended for a violation of the implied consent law. Now, that's a separate suspension than a suspension for a DUI. Now, the advantage to not giving a sample there, to going ahead and refusing, is that the officers then, when it comes time to go to court on the DUI itself, don't have your BAC to tell the judge. So the judge is then left to make a decision as to whether or not you were guilty beyond a reasonable doubt of driving under the influence, just based on what the officer saw, and sometimes on camera footage. So that's the advantage.
Want to know more? Like and subscribe to our Eichelberger Law Firm channel to check out more videos on this and other important legal topics.